siguro dapat nating tignan ay yung sinasabi ni Kristo. It was my Father who gave you the true bread from heaven. Kasi po kung minsan nakala natin, it is by our own effort that we actually earn the grace. Pinagtrabahuan ko to, pinaghirap. Totoo po yun. Pero ultimately, it still comes from God. Why? The strength, the opportunity that you actually put into earning the grace also came from God. Kaya nga po, huwag tayong magkakamali na akala natin dahil lang sa atin. But the grace ultimately comes from only God. Ang biyaya galing pa rin po sa Diyos. And so, let us not forget to give thanks to God for all the graces that we bestow. Lahat ng ating biyayang tinanggap galing sa Diyos, kailangan alam natin ipasalamat sa Panginoon.